Hi guys, welcome to my true channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Top 25 mysterious things seen on Jupiter and its new moons discovered. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. White ovals. White ovals are a type of storm that can be found on Jupiter's surface. They are smaller in size compared to other storms on the planet and appear as white spots. These ovals are typically around 300 to 600 kilometers in diameter and can last for several years. The storms are created by a combination of rising warm air and sinking cool air within Jupiter's atmosphere. 2. Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a gigantic storm on Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. The storm has been observed for over 350 years and is estimated to be 2 to 3 times the size of the Earth. The storm is characterized by swirling clouds of gas and dust, and winds that can reach up to 400 miles per hour. 3. Dark Spots. Dark spots are distinct features found on the surface of Jupiter that appear darker than the surrounding areas. These spots are believed to be caused by changes in the planet's atmosphere, including the presence of different chemical compounds and variations in temperature. The most famous dark spot on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, which has been observed for hundreds of years and is thought to be a massive storm system. 4. Aurora. Jupiter's auroras are among the most powerful in the solar system, emitting energy that is hundreds of times greater than Earth's auroras. These brilliant displays of light occur when high-energy particles from the Sun are funneled toward Jupiter's magnetic poles and collide with gases in the planet's atmosphere. The result is a stunning light show, with shimmering curtains of red, green, and blue dancing across the sky. 5. Eos Volcanoes is a fascinating moon that orbits Jupiter and is the most volcanic object in the solar system. With over 400 active volcanoes, it's a hotbed of geological activity. The moon's surface is constantly reshaped by the eruptions, which create towering plumes of sulfur and lava that can reach over 300 miles into space. 6. Europa's Ocean. Europa, the smallest of the 4 Galilean moons orbiting Jupiter, is believed to have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy surface. The evidence for this vast ocean comes from observations by the Galileo spacecraft, which detected a magnetic field and patterns of cracks on the moon's surface that suggest the presence of a liquid water ocean beneath. 7. Ganymede's magnetic field. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system and orbiting Jupiter, possesses a unique feature that sets it apart from all other known moons: its magnetic field. First discovered by the Galileo spacecraft in 1996, this magnetic field is believed to result from the interaction of Ganymede's iron core with Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. 8. Callisto's craters. Callisto is one of the 4 largest moons of Jupiter and is known for its heavily cratered surface. The moon's surface is believed to have been bombarded by asteroids and comets for billions of years, leading to the formation of numerous craters. Some of these craters are several kilometers wide and have central peaks or collapsed floors, indicating a violent impact. 9. Amalthea's reddish color. Amalthea, a small moon of Jupiter, has a distinct reddish color that has piqued the interest of scientists for many years. They believe that the cause of this coloration may be the presence of sulfur on its surface. Sulfur is known to have a reddish or yellowish hue, and its presence on Amalthea's surface could explain its unusual color. 10. Adraste's tenuous atmosphere. Adraste, one of Jupiter's small moons, has a thin and fragile atmosphere, mainly made up of sulfur dioxide. The atmosphere is so weak that it can only be detected by sensitive instruments, and it is constantly being replenished by the moon's volcanic activity. Adraste is a relatively young moon, believed to have formed from the debris left behind after a collision between 2 larger moons. 11. Metis high reflectivity. Metis, a small moon of Jupiter, has been found to possess an extraordinary property: high reflectivity. This suggests that the moon's surface is covered in a layer of water ice, which makes it highly reflective. The icy surface of Metis is believed to be the result of its proximity to Jupiter, which causes its surface to be constantly bombarded by energetic particles from the planet's magnetosphere. 12. The strange rotation of Jupiter's magnetosphere. Jupiter's magnetosphere, the region around the planet where its magnetic field dominates, rotates in a puzzling way that doesn't quite match the planet's rotation. Scientists have been studying this strange phenomenon for years, but the exact cause is still unknown. One theory is that it may be due to the presence of electric currents within the planet's interior. 13. Jupiter's ring system. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a faint but complex ring system. This ring system was first discovered in 1979 by the Voyager 1 spacecraft. The ring system consists of four main rings: the halo ring, the main ring, the Amalthea-Gossamer ring, and the Thebe-Gossamer ring. The halo ring is the widest and faintest ring, while the main ring is the most prominent and contains the highest concentration of particles. 14. The ammonia clouds of Jupiter. Jupiter's atmosphere is characterized by its distinct banding pattern, which is created by the presence of ammonia clouds. These clouds appear as light-colored bands that run parallel to the equator, separated by darker bands. Ammonia is a volatile compound that is easily vaporized at Jupiter's temperatures and pressures, allowing it to rise to the upper atmosphere where it forms clouds. 15. The reddish color of Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's upper atmosphere has a distinctive reddish hue, which is thought to be caused by the interaction of ultraviolet light with compounds in the atmosphere. The exact nature of these compounds is still not fully understood, but it is believed that they include complex organic molecules such as hydrocarbons and other carbon-containing compounds. 16. The hexagonal storm on Saturn. Saturn's North Pole boasts a rare and intriguing hexagonal-shaped storm. The massive rotating storm has been studied since its discovery in the early 1980s by the Voyager spacecraft. The hexagonal shape is a mystery, as nothing like it has been observed elsewhere in the solar system. The storm's winds reach speeds of up to 220 miles per hour and are estimated to be roughly 20,000 miles wide, wider than the diameter of the Earth. 17. The Great Dark Spot on Neptune. The Great Dark Spot on Neptune was a colossal storm system that appeared as a dark, oval-shaped feature in the planet's southern hemisphere. It was first discovered by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft during its flyby of Neptune in 1989. The storm was similar in size and intensity to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but unlike the latter, the Great Dark Spot on Neptune disappeared within 5 years of its discovery. 18. Jupiter's mini-moons. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a remarkable number of small moons orbiting around it. These mini-moons, also known as irregular satellites, were discovered in the past few decades through observations using advanced telescopes and spacecraft. Currently, Jupiter has over 80 known mini-moons, the largest of which are Himalaya, Elara, Lysithea, and Anak. 19. The formation of Jupiter. The formation of Jupiter remains a subject of scientific investigation. According to the current theory, Jupiter formed through a process known as core accretion, which involves the gradual accumulation of gas and dust particles around a solid core. However, these specific conditions that led to Jupiter's unique composition are not fully understood. 20. The moons that may have water. Jupiter's moons Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are the subject of intense investigation by scientists looking for signs of water. These icy moons are believed to contain vast oceans beneath their frozen surfaces, making them prime candidates for the existence of extraterrestrial life. 21. The Jupiter Io plasma Taurus Io, one of Jupiter's 4 largest moons, is known for its intense volcanic activity. This activity releases gas and particles into space, which then become ionized by the sun's ultraviolet radiation and the magnetic field of Jupiter. As a result, a plasma torus forms around Jupiter, consisting of charged particles that interact with the planet's magnetic field. 22. The changing color of Jupiter's atmosphere. Observations of Jupiter's upper atmosphere have revealed changes in its color over time. In the 1990s, the atmosphere appeared predominantly white, but by the early 2000s, it had developed a reddish hue. The most recent observations, however, suggest that the atmosphere is becoming lighter again. 23. The strange behavior of Jupiter's moons. Jupiter's moons have been a subject of fascination for astronomers for centuries. However, some of these moons have been observed to exhibit strange behavior, including irregular orbits and unexpected changes in brightness. This behavior can be attributed to a phenomenon known as orbital resonance. 24. The origin of Jupiter's magnetosphere. Jupiter's magnetic field is one of the most powerful in the solar system, and its magnetosphere is the largest structure in the solar system, extending over a distance of about 100 times the radius of the planet. 25. The search for life. On the search for life beyond Earth is a fundamental question that has fascinated humans for centuries. In recent decades, with advancements in technology and space exploration, what do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.